Are you struggling to create a stunning commercial space that truly represents your brand? Have you found it challenging to maintain both functionality and style in your interior design? Transforming your commercial interior shouldn't be a hassle. That's where we come in. Our turnkey solutions streamline the entire process. From conceptualization to completion, we specialize in transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary, where aesthetics meet functionality. We handle every detail, ensuring your environment not only looks fantastic, but also enhances productivity and meets your unique needs. With a dedicated team of experts by your side, you can focus on what you do best while we create the perfect space for you. Whether you're looking for innovative custom layouts or stylish furnishings, we've got you covered. With our expert guidance, every corner of your office can inspire great ideas and collaboration. Ready to elevate your commercial interior? Contact us today to begin your journey toward the office of your dreams and watch your business thrive. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.